Alright, we continue. Click on Initialize Repository. Click on it. You'll see there's a notifications of 5 on the source of control on the left. So now we have to make sure the Microsoft Studio is linked with the GitHub. So click on the green on your bottom left. Then go up, choose Remote Repository. Yes, this one. Click on it. Let it load for a while. Click on Open Repository from GitHub. Click on it, then click Allow. Now you have to key in your GitHub username and the password and click Sign In. Click on Open Visual Studio Code again. It will lead you back to the software. Now you already linked the software, Microsoft Studio Code, with the online GitHub. Click on Open Remote Repository. Click on Open Repository from GitHub. You will see the branch links that you created earlier at GitHub Online. Put your windows left and right, splitting it. Best, the right is the Microsoft Visual Studio, the left is the GitHub. So you can see the difference. Click again, open remote, open repository. And then you see here, this 2024, 05, 2025, and then this one. You see, both are the same. Just click on it. Now you will see both sides, the file is the same because it's already linked. Yep, next video.